out the rice, and also they give a extra 2% discount on your bill. A very useful tip here, that is how to protect your rock salt from India only, except two items, that is different, Joshi Mat Rajma. A very interesting thing I saw here, which Hi guys, welcome back to Sue's All-in-One channel. So in today's video, I've come to a place called Adarsh in JP Nagar. It's an organic store where you can shop for grocery, personal care, oils, and also vegetables. So this is a very unique store actually. Even I haven't seen a store like this from pretty long time, and a few concepts here are also very new to me. And as you can see in the background, they encourage buying loose groceries where you can actually pick up the paper bags here and pull out how many how much ever quantity you want, so which is really wonderful. I'll be showing you what all what all products are available here. They have around 600 products here, which is very interesting. And also guys, if you're watching this video without subscribing to my channel, please do consider subscribing it to the channel, and like the video and share this video with family and friends. Now come, let's see what all are here. So guys, this is the veggies section. They have some organic veggies in the store, and this is the oil section they have. So I'll show you how you exactly buy oil from here, which is very nice. I mean, like, they have these glass bottles here. Label it yourself. And I got my oil. So get this bill now. Isn't it really interesting? I mean, like, I'm just having real fun here. Guys, this is the rice section. So they have a wide variety of rice. As this is a zero waste shop, and there's no plastic usage also here. What they do is they have kept paper covers like this. Depending on the quantity you want to buy, you can pick up the paper covers, and you would just pull out the desired quantity like this. And get it weighed. So basically this is how you pull out the rice. And also they encourage people to not to use plastic. So what they're doing is, this is fine. If you get your own containers, they give an extra 2% discount on your bill, which is really fantastic. So guys, I came across a very useful tip here, that is how to protect your rice, grains and dals from insects and all that. So what they do here is that, as you can see in one of the boxes here, they basically place whole red chilies, rock salt, or neem sticks inside the groceries to protect it from insects. So it's a very useful tip. I hope you guys will use it, and it's useful for you guys too. So this is a very special sugar available here. It's called Kansari sugar. It's completely unprocessed and very healthy. So you can see all the varieties here. This is jaggery powder, rock salt, Himalayan pink salt, and ragi flour. These are some flours available here, like multi-grain flours. And this is a very interesting thing. This is Kodo millet noodles. It's made of completely millets, but it's form of noodles, which is very nice. I really love this. So guys, this is also one of the interesting noodles I came across. This is ragi noodles. And they also have this premix khichdi mix available, which is a mixture of millets, green gram, a healthy combination of rice and everything. So you can just, so guys, these are the lentils. As you can see, they have all kinds. This also, they have kept the ladles. You can take the paper bag and fill up as much as you want and wait and get it filled. So all the products here are from India only, except two items. That is, one is this hing from Afghanistan, and they have one cinnamon variation from Sri Lanka. So rest all are from India. So guys, this is the personal care section. A very interesting thing I saw here which I haven't seen at all. This is for, it's a tooth powder, charcoal tooth powder. Which is very unique for me because I've never seen this and used this, but definitely today I'm buying this. They also have corn fiber and bamboo brushes. Yeah, this is for kids actually, which is very nice, which is very soft also. You can try this out. This is also very nice. For elders also they have. So our forefathers used to use the earthen pots. We have never used it, and now this is back in fashion. So they have the earthenwares also here. So guys, I really had a great fun shopping here today. I mean, this concept of packing things yourself is really nice and unique. And nowadays we just shop in supermarkets and all that where things are already packed. I don't think so I would have this much fun there. So this was really nice. You guys should really visit this shop and experience it once at least. And also the products here, they're very nice, and the quality is also really high. And being organic products, even they're very fairly priced also, not overpriced at all. So I hope you guys will visit this shop sometime and you enjoyed watching this video. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great shopping.